Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, and if you're trying to find where the fuse for the heater blower motor is located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. If your heater blower motor doesn't work, we'll explain the top things that can cause that as well. Okay, make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So what do we need to do? We need to open the hood on that Ford C-Max. You guys have actually up to 3 different fuse boxes located in that Ford C-Max. 3 different fuse boxes, that's right. One is under the hood, one is in the passenger side in the feet, one is in the trunk. So what do we need to do now, guys? Okay, let me just show you. Here we need to open that fuse box that's located in the corner. On the back side you have one notch that you need to pull up, then you go up, forward. Okay, it comes out of these 2 clips here, and that's the one that we pried up, okay, to release it. Now if you turn it that way, this is, guys, actually, okay, the layout right here. That's the layout of the fuses that corresponds to what we have here. The fuse that we need to check is fuse number 10 right here. So that fuse, guys, is the one that we need to check. That's the 40 fuse. That's for the heater blower motor. Now if you need to replace it, we'll put the link where you can get new ones for a really good price. And also, if you need to test the fuse or a relay, we'll put the link to a video in the description below that explains how to do that. So please check it out. It will teach you, okay, how to do that step by step. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.